I believe is the one making the noise. You can see a little bit of movement in there. I think that's what's causing it. I read this on somewhere else or saw another video, but I just want to show you how you guys take it off easy. Take a card and stick it between there, and then grab one of these tools and just play it, put it underneath here slowly and work it our way around, and it'll pop right out. Here's the piece. That's the grill. So what I'm going to do is figure out what's making it loose here, maybe jamming some caulk in the corners and stopping this movement, because it's driving me insane. Trust me, I tried other things. I didn't think it was this. I jammed foam all over the place in here. I sprayed Mother's rubber treatment all over in the dash, trying to stop the stupid rattling noise, but this, I believe, is it. Something else? Here's something else that could be the problem. This thing right here. Hear that noise? I don't know if this thing is broken, because on this side it doesn't move, but on this side it's kind of playing. So I'm assuming this could be part of the problem. If maybe not, this is the problem, but that rattle drives me insane. So I'm gonna just basically cover this hole up and call it a day. Here you can see with the foam jammed in there, one of them is open, but the other ones are covered up. But seriously, I think that's where the problem was. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to jam some material inside these cracks here to push this grill up, because some guy was saying about welding it, and that's too much work. You just jam some stuff in there, have some pressure created, and then they won't rattle if that is loose. There you go. Jam some foam right in there. That's creating pressure against this grill. Even if it's loose a little bit, you won't be able to hear anything anymore. Also jam some before on this piece, just in case if it was this. You literally can just jam foam everywhere.